Welcome back, Performance Mechanic YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you a front suspension air spring assembly. This kind of system coming in modern vehicles, BMW, Benz. Here you can see the shock mount. This shock mount inside there is a air reservoir. Here you can see the air supply pipe connection. Here you can plug the air spring air supply pipe. Here you can see the lower area. Here you can see the air balloon, and here there is two electric connection. You can see electric connector. There is inside some solenoid valve mechanism. This solenoid valve can open and close with electrically ECU controlled. This car inside we can select the suspension mode, soft and hard, like that we can change the suspension mode. So that time this solenoid valve will open and allow to move more fluid. So the piston, when I move in the piston inside the shock absorber, we can adjust the shock absorber piston movement through this solenoid valve. If you like this information, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Here you can see the suspension mode selection.